Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm glad you're here because if you're here, you're part of the Beehive, and that means you might become part of the Welp Hive if you subscribe to our channel or if you join our Patreon. This is from Teacup, one of our very faithful and wonderful members of the Welp Hive. And Teacup had this to say: "This was the most special performance of Dangerously in Love at the Renaissance World Tour 2023. Before this night, Beyonce hadn't performed this song in 16 years.
Wow.
So the Beehive was shocked. It had also been 5 years since Beyonce's last tour On the Run 2, making this moment even more emotional for Beyonce and the Beehive. You can tell how excited Beyonce was to be back on stage. Hope you enjoyed.
Okay, good context. I think for context too, the time it's recorded, we haven't released it on YouTube yet, but on our Patreon is the full reaction to the Renaissance film. Or has it been released on YouTube? I don't even know anymore.
But On the Run 1 is
maybe that's what I don't know.
Yeah.
Guys, join our Patreon for all the block stuff. Join our YouTube for the other stuff. Just be there.
Something about that sound. That when it starts, it's also in Cowboy Carter. Everybody's like, what? We get to see Dangerously in Love?
Yeah. Is it true? Is it happening?
Yeah. Put the phones down.
Yep.
Moments were incomplete if you weren't by my side.
I miss her on
stage. Connection to the sun. You next to me, there's no darkness I can overcome. You are raindrops, I am the sea. It's you and God who's my sunlight, a bloom and grow so beautifully. Baby, I'm so proud to be your girl. You make the confusion go on away from this cold and mixed tomorrow. I can't do this thing without you. Just keep loving me.
Sorry, the guy, he's filming himself. Sorry. Let's go back.
I've not even filming Beyonce.
Say, hey, look, it's me here. Or he's showing his buddy. He's showing his buddy.
Oh, yeah, you're right. That's cool. His buddy's got a big smile.
Yeah.
I love y'all.
I love you, Beyonce.
I love you, Beyonce.
To hold, to feel, to
there you go. Nathan. What are you doing? Ridiculous. Sorry, everybody.
Dangerously.
Like an operatic.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Teacup. I apologize to all those on YouTube and on our Patreon watching Nathan play with his dog and eat food on the camera. This is just
What? You have a montage of Beyonce pictures
Yeah.
behind you.
to honor the
distracting.
queen. To honor the queen. Yeah, oh yeah. My montage of Beyonce is way more distracting than a pup and food.
Well,
Mukbang
Teacup, who
video.
requested this, says this is fun. So
Yeah, the video was fun. The video of Beyonce was fun. I agree. Seeing Beyonce on stage was the funnest part of that whole experience. So I keep forgetting that Dangerously in Love is a song by Destiny's Child. You know, it's funny. It's one of those songs where I associate it with Beyonce so much. It's like, when did that song come out? It was one of her earlier songs I know in her solo career, but I'm like, no, that's a Destiny's Child song that came out 25 years ago at the time it's recording. So that's insane. So that's like, because it was like, oh, it's been 16 years since she sung it. A beautiful performance. Really cool that the fans got to see that after 16 years of not being performed live. She looks amazing. She sounds amazing. It's our queen. And also seeing her on stage, it just like, man, I miss seeing Beyonce on stage, even though we've only saw it once. We saw the Cowboy Tour concert in Houston in 2025, June 2025. It hasn't even been a year yet, but it's like a year ago at this time. I think we knew we were going. Yeah, it just brought back the memories of what it's like to see the queen. And hopefully soon in 2026, are we going to get a new song? Are we going to get a new album? I don't know.
It's around the corner. All signs point to yes.
All signs point to yes. Okay.
So
Yeah, beautiful performance.
was this song part of the Renaissance tour? Was this in every performance? Or was this just this one performance is when this happened? Obviously in the write-up it said that this was like her first time doing this, but was this like at every show? Okay, is it every show? So everyone got to see a version of that performance there. That's really cool. You can tell that if you're a Beyonce fan, you went to the tour. I'm hearing everyone's comments here and saying, oh, this is like, yeah, this makes me emotional because I remember it. It was at every show. It wasn't just this particular show. Got it. Because, yeah, very, very, unique version of the song. I get why people are like, yeah, one of the best shows.